Hello, I am Matt Struhar, ICI Homes Construction Manager with Tyson King, sales agent for this beautiful home we are building at the Estates at Browns Landing.
This 4,000 square foot estate home is a masterpiece, boasting a state-of-the-art kitchen, wine bar, sauna, privacy garden, cabana, and a stunning pool. Structurally, it's a marvel with our spacious 14-foot ceilings, living room floating trays, dining room double trays, and more.
We can't wait to reveal all the finishing touches when we complete the build. Currently, we are going through our rough trades, which should be wrapping up soon, before we go through the last few inspections before drywall. After drywall has begun, we should be full speed ahead in completing the house in the next few months.
That's right, Matt. It'll be complete soon, and we can't wait to show you around this beautiful new home. Schedule a VIP tour with me soon and be one of the first to see this home when it's completed. I look forward to meeting you soon.